Here's a great idea for your 4th of July drink menu. This I got from Smith's Tea Makers, which is in Portland, Oregon. So if you're in that area, you could pick it up there, or just get any red, white, and blue tea to do this. This particular one has hibiscus mango, white peach, and blackberry jasmine. So I've got my little mugs already. Let's see what they look like. But first of all, let's open the package. Okay, here we have it. Here's our hibiscus mango, white peach, and blackberry jasmine. And I'm going to make just hot tea because I really am not an iced tea fan, but you'd be, if you like iced tea, these would be some great flavors for you. Now, as you can see, this is going to make a quart of iced tea. If you make iced tea, I'm not making iced tea, so it comes in these sachets like this, and you mix it with 2 cups of hot filtered water that is brought to 185 degrees, and then you let that steep for 3 minutes, and then you top it off with 2 cups of cold water and serve it over ice. Since I'm only making hot tea, I'm going to just take a little bit of that. Okay, so I have a teaspoon of the white peach, and then here's a teaspoon of the blackberry jasmine, if you're making the iced tea, you would put in the full sachet, or whatever tea that you're using to make your red, white, and blue teas, you would just follow the directions. This smells really good. It's going to steep for 3 minutes. You can see it's already turning kind of a bluish color. It's in kind of a clear brown tea steeper. And then here's our white peach. That one smells wonderful too, so we're going to let them steep for 3 minutes. And while those are steeping, I am bringing my water up to 212 degrees. And this water is ready. And I'm going to put my hibiscus mango in a teapot, because I don't have another one of those see-through tea makers where you can watch it. If you want to make the red, white, and blue teas, get any white tea, hibiscus, any kind of hibiscus tea. I've got a raspberry hibiscus and just an organic hibiscus tea here. You could use any of those to get your red color. To get blue, you'd have to read the ingredients on the package, but the best way to get blue is to look for something that has butterfly pea flower in it. And that's what I have in here right now. And at a later date, I'll tell you more about the butterfly pea flower. But you're going to get a nice blue color if you can find, and you can get it on Amazon. And doesn't that look pretty? You can see. And just leave it in there for whatever strength that you want while it's turning blue. Okay, here's our white, here's our blue. So I'm going to put some white in this one, and it looks a little bit more yellow because I let it sit a little bit too long. And whatever white tea, it actually looks kind of gold because I've got it sitting on a gold thing, but you can see if I hold it up to the light, it's not quite as yellowish. So your white teas are going to vary depending on what other ingredients are in there. Let's check out our blue. And again, I've got it sitting on a blue mat, kind of a turquoise colored mat, so it's showing a lot of that color, but when you lift it up, I'm trying to get a good, it's a very pretty blue color. It's hard to see in this light. Let's see how our other blue one's doing. See, this is a really nice blue with this butterfly pea flower. And then let's see how our hibiscus is doing. Okay, it's a little weak right now. Should let it sit a little bit longer. But there you have it, red, white, and blue tea. So you can take these and so here's our red, white, and blue teas. If you're having a group of people over, just go out and get yourself some hibiscus. Get any white tea, but check out what the other ingredients are because some white teas have other things. Like this has peach in it. They're not going to be completely clear, and you don't want to steep them too long or they're going to be a darker color like this one is. And then a blue tea, which the best way, as I said, to figure out whether it's going to come out blue is to make sure it has butterfly pea flower in it. So there you have it, and you can just brew these and then add some extra water and some ice to it and have some really nice iced tea. Maybe get some sticks of honey for those people that like their teas to be sweetened. And happy 4th of July.